How to earn money fast in Need for Speed. Need cash to upgrade or buy new cars. Here's how to earn money fast in Need for Speed on your phone. So let's get started. Open your Need for Speed application. You have to focus on campaign, race, especially events, mission, and boss challenges. They pay the most for wins. You have to repeat races you are good at to earn more quick money without losing. Stick to short tracks for fast farming. Log in every day to claim free cash and paths. Also check the black market for limited time money deals. Tap onto the special events. These offers use payout just for participation and high ranks. Watch optional ads for double rewards or use in-game boost to multiply your earnings after a race. And that's how you earn money fast in Need for Speed on your phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.